You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. A person with a love of dogs. Cynophilist, English pronunciation, by the way. If you want to learn how to say dog names that are very confusing, stay tuned. I've got videos you'll want to watch. Cynophilist. Are you a cynophilist yourself? You want to stress on that no syllable. English pronunciation. How to pronounce cynophilist. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.